Hey guys, what's up? This is Hotshot, and in this video we'll talk about and showcase the new event quest, which is based on Spider-Man, the Arachnid action. So let's start from heroic only. So for completion, this is like tier 3 basic catalyst, 1 alpha and 3-star hero crystal. And exploration will give tier 4 fragments and shards of 5-star. And now shards have reduced for 5-star. For first chapter it's 25 only, 1 premium crystal and premium shards, some gold and ISO. Really doesn't matter about that. We are just watching for shards and premium crystals. So you can see chapter 2 gives almost same, actually same only. And in the final 50 shards of 4-star and 500 each for completion and exploration shards for premium crystal and 1 premium crystal as always. So let's go for normal. Okay, for exploration 2700 shards only, alpha is good, 3-star shards 1000, okay. And for completion 1 premium shard crystal, you can say 2000, because and at tier 2 catalyst really doesn't matter. Tier 3 for exploration premium 250, for completion not really good. And anyways we are now in normal, so rewards will be less in normal. Tier 3 shards and premium hero crystal shard for completion as well as exploration, some gold and ISOs, same but more amount. So let's go for beginner. Only 900 tier 4 for full exploration of beginner. That's really a waste of energy and time for like players who have 10k in rating for their top team. I don't know I will be doing this or not. Reward is really less. At least they should put 1 alpha. Maybe for alpha I'll explore everything, but not really for like 900 shards. We need 36,000 fragments tier 4 in order to complete 1 tier 4. So let's see the maps. I have already searched I have completed, not explored, all the maps except the final test. So let's start from the similar faces, the newbie. So as you can see, Cyclops is the boss and 3500 is the recommended rating, which is on an average, even an average player can complete this heroic. First few quests can complete, but the last quest of course you need more than 10k or at least 10k for completing. Yeah, I know some people will say I am 6k and I will complete and I can complete easily. Yes, 6k I can also, using some revives and healing potion, can do heroic also, full heroic. As you can see, there are 3 rings, 1 from the right side, 2 from the left, and you have to complete this 3 times to fully explore. And let's see the node of the final boss. 50% attack and health, resonance cascade, 100% critical hit, and combo shield. Combo meter will not reset. Okay, that's good. Let's quit and see the next one. So this was 1 energy per tile map, so definitely you don't need much energy to complete this exploration, but in the coming map you will see that this overall quest requires much large amount of energy than you are expecting. Only 2 maps every chapter, but still the maps are quite big. The first one was medium, or you can say a small map, but they grow bigger and bigger. So this one is for original Spider-Man. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4 paths. 4 paths are definite. Okay, 4 paths. This was 1 ring finished and this is 2nd ring. So these are 2 rings you have to complete. And yes, 4 times. Consider this will consume your lot of energy, but anyways this is 1 per tile. So if you are having like 60 energy bank, then you will easily be able to complete in 1 day only, I think. You have to like optimize your energy. Like every day you should target, like you have to use 180 minimum energy. You get like 260 energy. So I'm already saying that 80 energy might get wasted, but consider at least using up to 180 or 200. I would recommend use 240, all the energy plus 20 also that you get from the help. But really you should use max amount of energy every day in exploring quest or getting cats. So let's check next one out. Okay, this is now 2 energy per tile. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times you have to complete this. And let's check the node here also. Okay, 28% critical hit rate. Retaliates with 15% attack as a direct damage whenever struck. Okay, means you will be losing good amount of energy while attacking him also. And yes, his health will be much more than your champions, so consider at least one of your champ might get knocked out. Might not always. So next will be the energy requirement in the 3rd chapter, when you will see is 3 per tile. In the heroic, I think it is less in beginners. Let's check. Yeah, in the beginner it is less. It's 2 per tile because they also know that in beginner the energy bank is small. People waste more energy. It's not quite wasting, means utilize less energy, you can say, because they have to come online again and again. If you have like 30 energy, only every 3 hours you have to come online to consume all your energy. That's really difficult. Even for 6 hours it is also difficult. Like I have 59, approximately 6 hours only. So this map is quite big. And yes, number of completion is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you have to complete this 5 times, and in the end you can see this beautiful, my lady Thor, the female Thor. That's what I call her. So I think the right path is the most beautiful path. All the Captain Marvel, this Scarlet Witch, Black Widow, Gamora, this Storm, my Thor, and Spider-Gwen. This is a good path. Even this known here, this comes. Okay, 1 Rhino you have to fight. 1 this ugly big chuck of Rhino. I hate him, and he is also duplicated, so means he will have his armor up. Means when Reiner gets his signature ability is that damage is reduced on him, physical one, because he get his like skin works as a armor. So let's go for next one. Now next is 3 per tile, the monster, and this monster is really bad. Because the monster is not bad, actually the map is bad, because for 1 completion you have to take all the different classes of champ except mystic class. As you can see here, you need 1 science champ to enter this. So from here you can go alone science champ path, or else you will go skill. Then you need science and skill both. Then you need mutant, and after that tech, then cosmic. So if you have to complete this through cosmic path, you have to go, you need to have cosmic, tech, mutant, skill, science, all these champs. So you cannot have your mystic champ, because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 champ, these 5 classes you have to have, and else you won't be able to explore this fully. So, and secondly, you need to have a very good science champ, because each and every fight will require a science champ. So if you are thinking you are not having 1 science champ, good science champ, and tech champ is also not good, or some other, then this quest might be very difficult for you if your champs are basically mystic oriented, like 2 of the 5 champs are mystic, and you really can't take those mystic champ in this path. So that will be a problem. And see this is quite cool path. No opponent in this part, directly to the boss. Yes, there are few ambushes, like 3, 3 ambush you will get, and good rating like 2k rating, 2000 rating and more you will get. And let's see the node. Yes, 50% more health and attack, no problem. 28% critical hit rate and 100% critical damage. He will be damaging you a lot. Increase the duration of bleed effect by 100%. If bleed per second is less, then with your willpower you will get healed. So yes, really willpower will help you because you will bleed for more time. And the now last one, I haven't completed the last one because I am less in energy now. It will take around 6 more hours to refill my energy. Then I will be able to complete the last one. The rating required for the last one is 10,000 and I am having 11,000, but let's hope there is no gates. And if there is gate, no tech gate at least, because in my top champ I am not having a tech champ. My tech 4-star war machine as rank 2 level 20. I will bring him up to rank 3 level 30. Still, there is, if I replace him with, I have to replace with him with Captain America. So synergy will be gone of Captain America. So I'm really not considering that, but I have to upgrade him for few quests which has tech gate. As you can see, 3 energy per tile and you have to complete 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. So this will consume hell lot of energy. And yes, all the champs are here like more than 1.5k, and this path has like 2200, 2000 Hulkbuster and this Daredevil, then Wolverine, this middle path. And so there are many 2000 champs you have to fight with. And in the last one, the boss is the Spider-Man with 4500 rating. So mirror image automatically mirrors the beneficial effects of the enemy. Oh my god, if you have any beneficial effect, this Spider-Man will get that. Detrimental effect lasts 100% longer. So any effect like weakness, or if he gives weakness, yes, he will give, I know. So that will be good for you because weakness will heal you. And yes, there is some disadvantage also of weakness, but overall it will be advantages for you if you have willpower, and I highly recommend getting that as soon as possible if you are like playing at heroic event like this and have only 10k rating for this 10k recommended fight. So this is all for this showcase video, and I'll be completing this at least heroic part. Don't know about the normal, but yeah, I will try to do that normal in 20 days also. And really not that beginner one, because reward from the beginner is not that really good and energy required is big, because I have to fight for catalysts also. Actually I want tier 3 catalysts, good amount of them, and I only fight the hard fight, means left side of the map, in order to get more experience, as I have discussed in earlier video how the right way to get catalyst. The link will be in the description. This is Hotshot and this is all for this video. Please guys, like my video and subscribe to my channel. See you guys next time.